6. You fill 2, then 4, then 6. Then it goes all the way up.
Okay.
And my auntie's gonna help me.
So
welcome everybody. Today we're making pancakes. We need bowl and water and raspberries and blue.
Can you show the raspberry? Can you show us?
Blackberries.
Mama, I don't think that's blackberries. Oh, it is blackberry. You got it right.
And syrup.
And yeah.
This white oil.
And that one is heavy.
This.
And what is that called?
Pancake flour. This is a flipper for the pancake.
Mm-hmm.
This is a whisker for whisking things. It's a measuring cup.
Great job.
Water measuring cup.
Great job.
It has 6. You fill 2, then 4, then 6. Then it goes all the way up. I am gonna make pancakes with my auntie, and my auntie's gonna help me.
So you're gonna get the cup, and I will help you measure. No, the other one. Okay, you're gonna hold it under the. Measure 1 cup of flour. That's good. Put 2 cups and 1.5 cup of water. So because we're using 1 cup, I think we can do 3/4. Break. I think I may have put too much.
I'm gonna whisk the pancake.
Okay.
My sister's gonna help me with that. My auntie's gonna fry the pancake first.
To eat. Ready? Yummy. Okay, chef, you gotta taste your pancake and let us know how it tastes.
Okay.
You want juice?
It tastes good.
It tastes good?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What? It's clear.
Yeah, because it's just strawberry and kiwi and punch. Chef, how is your pancake tasting?
Good.
You liking your pancake, chef? You think you did a good job? Great. Ma'am, did you try the chef's pancake today?
Yeah.
No, you haven't. Can you try and let us know?
Yeah.
Please, go ahead. One fell down.
Yeah.
You can eat it. You don't have to wait for it.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can. How is it? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good.
Good. Did you try the pancake?
Yeah.
Can you try the pancake?
That's my special pancake.
That's your special pancake? Try this little one right here.
How does it taste?
How does it taste?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
You're gonna give a high five to the chef? Good job.